And I want to answer a question that Justin just brought up recently that comes up a lot. And the question is, should I do my fixed wing rating before I do my helicopter? A lot of people seem to think that they're going to save money in the long run if they do the airplane first and then go do their helicopter. And that may or may not be the case, but that's not really what's important if you're looking to be a professional helicopter pilot. When you go to get your first job, the only thing anybody cares about is how much helicopter time do you have. Nothing against fixed wing, nothing against airplanes, but if you're going to be a professional helicopter pilot, you might as well start in helicopters and log every single bit of helicopter time that you can, because that's what, when you go to get your first job, that's what people are looking at. So if you want to do your fixed wing first, you can. Nothing wrong with that, especially if you're just flying more for pleasure. No big deal. But if you're going to go for the professional pilot program, you want to fly helicopters for a living, then you need to just start in helicopters and just stick with it and log every single bit of helicopter time that you can. So hope this was a help, and if you like this, please hit the like button, and please leave comments with feedback, and please visit our blog site at fwhihelicopters.com. Thanks, and we will see y'all later.